Hello everyone, let's revise MCQ of chapter Ashoka. Okay, fine. Ashoka, emperor who gave up war. So here you can see the first question on your screen. The first question, everyone please raise your hand. Which are the animals shown in our national emblem? Goats, lion, bulls, none of these. Yes, Arush?
Ma'am, lions.
Lion. Yes, lion is a correct answer. Chandragupta was supported by a wise man named Raja, Shashanka, Vishakadatta, and Chanakya. Yes, Arnav Singh Tomar.
And the answer is Chanakya.
Yes, answer is Chanakya. He also known as Kautilya. Yes. Move on next. Yes. As per Magazine, how many gates were there in Patliputra? 20, 35, 55, 64 gates. Punit Anand?
Ma'am, 64.
Punit Anand?
Ma'am, 64 gates.
64 gate. Answer is 64 gate. Come to the next. How many lines are shown in our national emblem? 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, Kashvi?
Ma'am, 4.
4. Okay. Now move on next. Chanakya ideas were written down in a book called the Indica Arthashastra Manusmriti. Vedic.
Ma'am, second.
Arthashastra, yes. Name the bird which was included in the tree that was carried the emperor at the time of appearance in public. Appearance in the public. Trained crow, sparrow, parrot, ducks. Arav Bhaskar. Arav Bhaskar.
Ma'am, can you hear my voice?
Yeah.
Ma'am? Oh, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vedic.
Ma'am, C.
Trained parrots.
Ma'am, can you hear my voice?
Okay, answer is trained parrot. Yes, Arav.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, मैंने भी तो. Okay.
What was the name of grandfather of Ashoka? Krishna, Mahavira, Siddhartha, Chandragupta Maurya. Yes, Lavanya.
Ma'am, Chandragupta Maurya.
Yes, answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Next. When number of same family became ruler one after another, the family is often called empire, government, dynasty, none of these. Parnika Jain.
Ma'am, dynasty.
Yes, answer is dynasty. The duty of Dhamma Mahamatta was went place to place for teaching people about Dhamma, to collect the taxes, to punish the people who violated the rules, to award the people who are gentle. Yes, Punit?
Went place to place for teaching people about Dhamma.
Very good. In which book was Chanakya idea written? Same question. Next. Who is the son of Bindusara? Chandragupta, Akbar, Ashoka, Ajat Shatru. Yes, Arnav Singh Tomar.
Then the answer is Ashoka.
Answer is Ashoka. Yes. Next. A sculpture of polished stone bull, which was found in Rampurwa, Bihar, is now placed Parliament House in front of Share Market Office at Mumbai. in Rashtrapati Bhavan, in PMO office. Aparajita. Naman.
मैम इन राष्ट्रपति भवन.
In Rashtrapati Bhavan. Okay. Yes, answer in Rashtrapati Bhavan. The most famous Mauryan ruler was Ashoka, Akbar, Babur, Jahangir. Arav Bhaskar.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear?
Arav, answer.
One, ma'am. Ma'am, this one.
Beta, answer, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Arav, you are not audible. Arush.
Ma'am, the most famous Maurya ruler was Ashoka.
Yes. Name the Ashoka. Okay, now, from which area Takshila and Ujjain ruled? Patliputra, Bihar, Delhi or Agra? These area ruled by? Yes, Parnika?
Ma'am, Patliputra.
Patliputra. Ashoka inscription were written, dash and dash were written in the dash. They were written in Sanskrit, Prakrit Brahmi, Prakrit Pali, Sanskrit Brahmi. These were written in Prakrit and Brahmi were written in Brahmi script. Okay, Prakrit and written in Brahmi script. Which city was capital of Mauryan Empire? Takshila, Ujjain, Sarnath, Patliputra. Patliputra. In which language Ashoka inscription written? Devanagari or Brahmini script? Tamil, Sanskrit. The answer is yes, Parnika.
Ma'am, Brahmi script.
Brahmini script. The ancient name of coastal Odisha, Vaji, Magda, Kashi, Kalinga. Answer is Kalinga, yes. And city. The municipalities as formed in while municipal corporation are formed in that. Municipality form in small cities and while municipal corporation form in big cities. Yes. Next, community protest is the medium of to raise the problem which affect them, to get financial benefit. Both A, B, none. Yes. Kashvi.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, A.
A, to raise problem which affect them. Where is the relationship between neighbors healthier? In village, in city, in hospital, in dispensaries. Naman. Naman. Vedic.